Hey, I'm Lincoln from Real Estate by Lincoln, and welcome to 80 Burton, Old World Charm. Beautiful place. I'm really excited to show you guys this one. Stick around and let's have a look. All right, so this place is super old, super cool. There's a lot to do. Not gonna lie, there's a lot to do here, but this is a lifestyle that you're buying here, and you're right near the lake, right near all the GO train, restaurants, trails. Doesn't get any better than that. Huge backyard with a wicked area for barbecue, entertaining. So much to offer. So let's do this tour and have a look. Oh man, beautiful old wood staircase and old wood railings. Gotta love that. So there's lots of possibilities up here. There's a bathroom in here that needs to be completely renovated, and it's already been pre-gutted, so it's ready to go. And 3 more bedrooms up here with a world of possibilities. For you guys, you can change it into a 2-bed, leave it as a 3-bed. Also huge windows in every room, so it's really nice and bright. Have a look. All right, welcome to, well, part 2 of the house. So there's a separate entrance to the side of the place here, and this is an entirely, well, separate contained unit with, well, really 1 or 2 bedrooms, whichever way you want to look at it, a makeshift kitchen, which I'll show you in a sec, and exit to the backyard, which is absolutely amazing. It's huge back here, lots of space for everybody. So again, lots of possibilities. Income possibilities from here, and let's follow through to the kitchen. So as you can see, I am surrounded by a kitchen. This thing is ready to install. Great for income possibilities. Hey, so thanks for doing the tour. I'm Lincoln from Real Estate by Lincoln, and if you want to crunch some numbers, talk about this place, book an appointment, please get in touch, reach out anytime. Look forward to chatting with you. Take care.